Hi, I'm Demetra Adams. I teach technology to students in grades K through 8 at Chastang Fournier K-8 school. Students come to my technology class each week. During class, we learn how to be global digital citizens, how to create digital content, how to code content and robots, how to make and create using maker tools, and I hope to receive this MCPSS Technology Grant so that I can enhance my students' experiences with learning. I have introduced my students to AR and VR experiences using Google 3D. I'm hoping to expand my students' experiences with AR and VR by using the Oculus VR goggles. These goggles will help my students to actively participate in their learning by participating in virtual field trips and exploring ideas in a hands-on virtual space. Utilizing Oculus goggles will help my students to be more engaged in our learning. My students will be able to access learning from anywhere. Once my students see the e-class writing class in action, they will be blown away. When teaching students how to create digital content, I use mini notes and anchor charts to model the steps that we must follow to complete each activity. By using e-class in our classroom, I will finally be able to see my students while we create our anchor charts. Students will also be able to model steps and record them on the e-class. Using the e-class writing class in class will help my students to follow along with the lengthy steps of our projects, helping them be less confused. My students absolutely love coding robots. So far, we have coded the Q robot and the Dash robot. We practice how to code the robots through a maze that I've had my students to build. Once we have a set of drones, we can code these as well. We can also use the drones to explore physics concepts, helping to make such an abstract concept more concrete for students. We may even be able to explore how to take apart a drone and rebuild it. If the drones are equipped with cameras, we can have our drones explore space, then we can write about the images the drone captured. We can even compose creative writing pieces based on the images that our drones have captured. In my classroom, we use our iPads to access coding apps and creation apps like GarageBand. When teaching students how to use these iPad apps, it would be beneficial to be able to cast or mirror the iPad directly to my computer or smartboard. Presently, I've been using an app called AnyDesk, and I've had to cast my phone to the computer and the smartboard. If my students and I could use Apple TV, we would easily be able to cast our iPads to our smartboard. Students could model activities and steps and easily share the steps with the class by mirroring their devices. Using Apple TV. Using Apple TV in my classroom would also enable me to be able to display student work easily. I would be able to use the iPad as a document camera and interactive whiteboard. Here at Chastang Fournier K-8 school, we are very fortunate to have an immersive technology class here with Miss Adams. I'm just hoping that we can expand our resources by being rewarded the MCPSS Technology Grant. I'm so looking forward to being able to use these tools in our classroom.